Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gurp Dhaliwal from Captureyesstudio. Today I'm going to be creating this beautiful bridal look for you guys, and the key focus is the eyes. I smoked out the bottom lash line and I love how it turned out. And also we are on day 8 of 12 days of wedding bells. Make sure you check out the rest of the series in this link here. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. I've already done her brows and prepped the skin. I'm going to start off with a soft brown and work this into her upper crease as my transition shade, and I'm using a fluffy brush for this. I'm going to pick up another warmer reddish brown and work this along the outer lash line and into the crease. I want the outer edge to look elongated. I wanted to create a bridal look that you can either create on someone else or you can also create on yourself if you were going to do your own wedding makeup. I'm going to add a little bit more of a deeper brown along the outer corners as well. I want this outer corner to look pretty sharp. You can pick up any champagne shade and put this all over the lid. You don't need to use all these palettes like I am. Just wanted to test out some palettes while I was doing this. I'm taking a black eyeshadow, working this along the lash line and then also smoking out the outer corners. And on the lid, I'm taking Kitten Karma by Stila, which is a glitter, and applying that to the lid. Just not too much, but just a bit. I've also added some lashes and prepped the skin with a corrector primer by Stila, and then I'm also taking a 02 corrector by Fasanti and applying this all to the areas that have some discoloration and I just want to even out. I'm applying our foundation and working down towards the neck as well. For the brightener, I'm not taking anything super light, making sure that this blends in with the skin pretty nicely, and I did take it down towards her lips a bit just to elongate the face. Now moving on to our contour, I'm going to be working this into the areas such as the cheeks and the jawline. I'm making sure I'm blending everything out. You guys can probably see that some areas aren't blended as well right now, but take your time, blend everything out, and that's what you really want to do for a bridal morning look. You want to make sure everything is very soft. Now I'm going to be setting the under eyes with the Too Faced translucent powder, and I'm just pushing this into the under eye area with a sponge. I'm dusting everything off and also setting the face, and then I'm using MAC Give Me Sun bronzer and just applying this as a light little wash in the areas that I contoured. I'm taking MAC Peaches and I want this to blend into the contour, and I just wanted to have a little bit more color there. I'm taking the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter and applying this to the tops of the cheeks and also a little bit on top of that Peaches blush. I just love how this looks for the morning. On the inner waterline, I'm going to be taking a gel black liner and then also smudging some of that liner on the bottom lash line along with some black eyeshadow. I really wanted the bottom lash line to be very smoky. When she looks up at me, I just wanted to look very nice and dramatic. And I just love how this look was going so far, so I didn't do any winged liner. On the lips, I'm taking a berry lip liner and applying that all over, and then filling in the lips with a red lipstick, and this one is by Vasanti. I'm using a disposable wand, which works perfectly when you're working on someone. I'm going to be putting on her beautiful jewelry, which is from Bars Fashions, and her gorgeous outfit is from Bombay Couture. This lovely backdrop is from Venue Decor, so make sure you guys check them out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this bridal inspired look. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well because there are giveaways going on. We have already completed 3 giveaways and there's 3 giveaways left. One is going to go up right after this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you tomorrow in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.